There comes a time in every good Shopify store owner's life where you're just sick of going into the Shopify dashboard and individually updating every single price and inventory quantity for every single one of your products. And you just want to bulk update from a spreadsheet all of your prices and inventory quantities and spend the rest of your day laying in your backyard on your lawn, sweating in the sun. That's what you really want to do. So what this Google Sheets template allows you to do is to connect your Shopify store via their API and bulk update all of your prices and inventory quantities for any of your items in your store with one click. So let's dive into what the template actually does and how you can use it for yourself. As soon as you've made a copy of the template and cracked it open in Google Sheets, the first thing that you'll see is this Getting Started tab. This contains all of the instructions and all of the information that you'll need to get set up with the template. There's, let's see, 4 steps to implementing the template, and let's go through them one by one. The first thing is to enter your Shopify store subdomain. So if your store is test.myshopify.com, you'll just enter test here. So let's just enter test to start with. The second thing you'll do is create a private Shopify app and input your API password. I know that concept password sounds scary a little bit, but all you're really doing here is giving your public API key to this Shopify app that you've created. So there's a link here to a Shopify support doc on how to create a private app. Just follow the instructions in that doc and enter your API password here. So we'll just enter testing for now. The third step is to pull all of your Shopify products, price, and inventories. So basically what these first 2 steps will do, by entering your stored subdomain and entering your API password, you can then this Google Sheet can talk to Shopify. So you can pull all of your products in, all of your inventories and prices, and then you can update back to Shopify with new prices and new inventories. So this basically shortcuts going into the Shopify dashboard and allows you to just bulk update all of this information from within this Google Sheet. So once you've entered those first 2, if you press Get Shopify Products in this CIFL, that's short for Coding is for Losers, e-commerce menu, click Get Shopify Products. It will say Running Script. And then when this is done running, it will pull all of your products into this Shopify Products tab. So you generally won't need to use the Shopify Products tab. It's really just, you could think of it as a database. But if you want to, you can check it out. And it will have all of the product titles, all the variants, all the prices and inventories for each of your product variants. And it will show here on this Getting Started tab how many product variants you have. In this case, we have 106. And then once you have that data pulled in, really all that's left to do is go in and update your products, update their prices and inventories, and submit those. So we could select, zoom out a little bit here, and there are instructions, by the way, at the top of this Shopify Update tab, as well as in the Getting Started tab, step 4, for how exactly to update your products. Let's zoom out a little further. So basically what you'll do here is pick a product, let's say Dairy Farmers Butter. We can see that the current price is $3.49. The only history we have for it is that $3.49 price, and the current inventory is 40. So let's set the price to $4 and the inventory to 50. And up at the top in CIFL e-commerce, you select Update Shopify Products. And what will happen is this will run and then be deleted as soon as it's updated. And we'll see up here, the total update count will tick up to 1 as it was 0 before. And then if we select that same product again here, we'll see that the current price is set to 4 and the current inventory is 50. And now you can see some history start to develop here. the price went from $349 to $4, and the inventory went from 40 to 50. And you can see the last date it was updated was today, July 24th, 2017. So that's, in a nutshell, that's all this does. So you could enter a list of products in this entire tab and update them. Or you could set up some type of CSV upload process to pull data into this sheet. Whatever you want to do, these columns A, B, and C, whatever you enter there, when you select update, those will update in your Shopify app. So this is a really simple template. I want to thank Ryan Culp of FOMO, usefomo.com, for kind of the inspiration for building this. And yeah, feel free to holler to help@codingisforlosers.com if you have any questions or want any extensions of this template. So happy Shopify storing, and take care.